Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2002 Harley Davidson FXDL Dyna Lowrider. And this bike is really low mileage and has a lot of nice upgrades. Only 3,400 miles on this Dyna Lowrider. It's got some really cool chrome wheels, custom Harley Davidson wheels, Vance Hines Exhaust. It's got a power commander. It has a removable customer or passenger backrest. Super low miles, only 3,400. You can get this bike for just $99.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. It's got a nice snakeskin style seat, lots of chrome accents, Harley Davidson grips on the handlebars. I'll fire it up for you so you can see how beautiful she sounds. We've got financing available, extended service contracts. Come by, check it out. See how beautiful she sounds. Come on by Contra Costa Powersports and make your Harley Davidson dreams come true with this beautiful 02 Dyna Lowrider for $99.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.